Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 3rd August 2025. Title of Murli. In order to liberate souls from this world of sorrow, increase doing service with your mind, become complete and perfect. Bap Dada said, "You Brahman children are the ones who have the treasure of godly prosperity. You are the carefree emperors and emperors of Begumpur, because where there is godly pride, there cannot be any worries. In fact, everyone has received an unlimited treasure, but to what extent have you increased that treasure by using it? This has to be checked. Because this treasure is not just for this time, but you have to go with it in the future too." Further, Baba said, "Check in all the 4 subjects how much your account of deposits is. The treasure of knowledge means that whatever thoughts and actions you performed, did you perform them with full knowledge? Was it not ordinary? Yoga means the treasure of all powers in your daily routine. Whenever a particular power is needed, you use that power at that time and it gets accumulated. The sign of dharana is that every action should be full of virtues. No matter what the circumstances are, the virtue that I have should emerge. In the same way, you should also always appear light and happy in service. The fruit of service is happiness. If happiness disappears while doing service, then the account of service does not get deposited in the percentage that should be there." Finally, Baba said, "The easiest means of Purusharth is to take blessings and give blessings. Whoever you come in contact with, blessings should come out from their heart for you." Blessing for today. May you be loved by Dilaram, the comforter of hearts, and claim a number 1 on the basis of having an honest and clean heart. Details are: the father, the comforter of hearts, only loves the children who have honest hearts. Even if someone isn't worldly wise but has an honest and clean heart, he will claim a number 1. The Father gives you such big intellects that by knowing the Creator through them, you come to know the knowledge of the beginning, middle, and end of creation. So, the numbers are based on having honest and clean hearts, not on the basis of service. Service done with a true heart makes an impact on hearts. Those who are brainy earn a name, whereas those with a heart earn blessings. Slogan is, "To have pure thoughts and good wishes for everyone is to give true upliftment." Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. The rays of the sparkle, intoxication and experience of the children who stay constantly merged in love and lost in love are so powerful that a problem approaching them is something so distant that no problem can even raise its eyes to look at the yogis. They do not have to make any type of effort.